Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how you can utilize AutoKeras for classification. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. But hey, hold on. It would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. With that, let's kickstart the video. So what exactly is AutoKeras? Well, it's an AutoML based system on Keras. It is developed by the Data Lab team at Texas A&M University. The goal of this library is to make machine learning accessible for everyone. Before we start using this amazing package, let's first install it. Now that the installation is successful, let's go forward and import the necessary modules. I have a simple file called data.xlx which I load into a data frame called as df. Let me show you the first 5 rows of the data frame. So as you can clearly see, it has features like gender, married, dependents, education. All the features have been processed and converted into numeric. So I've kind of abstracted out the entire EDA piece along with the processing piece. And I have my target variable which is loan underscore status. Loan underscore status has two values 0 and 1, so therefore it is a binary classification problem. The next thing that I do is I split my x and y values, that is x will have feature values, y will have my target values. So let me run this cell. The next thing that I'll also do is I'll split my data set into training and testing. So let me run this cell. Now what exactly does AutoKeras do? Well, it creates different deep learning models and validates it against a validation set, and whichever is the best performing model, that is something that is given to you in the final result. If this idea is clear, then the first thing that I'll do is I'll create an instance of the structured data classifier with maximum trials equal to 20 and save it into a variable called as search. You might wonder what is max underscore trials? Well, max underscore trials are the maximum number of different Keras models you want to try your data with. So let me run this cell. Now that I've created an instance of the structured data classifier, let me go forward and fit my training data to it. So let me run the cell. It is here that I'll create 20 odd classifiers and evaluate which is the classifier that's doing the best for me. So this process may take a while. It will depend on a lot of factors like your data size that you have, total number of features that are there, total number of samples that are there in your training data set. So I've used a very small data set, so that is why you are able to see this move really quickly. But when you think of larger data sets, that is where you will see good amount of time taken for every different model that is tried by AutoKeras. So we've reached trial 16. So after 20 different models, we have finally come to a model which has 76% validation accuracy. So let me evaluate this model with respect to our training data set. So as you can clearly see, the best model out of the 20 model gives us a training accuracy of around 76%. Let's go forward and validate how good this model performs on testing data set. So let me run the cell. So as you can clearly see, the testing accuracy of this model is around 71%. So what we just witnessed was a very powerful demonstration of AutoKeras. We never bothered about the structure of the neural network. We didn't even care to look at the activation functions. We didn't even care to look at the learning rate and all the other hyperparameters that you would have to normally tune in order to come up with the most accurate model. So this is the power of AutoKeras, where you can create really sophisticated models without having to do a lot. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to demonstrate in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the videos that I post on my channel, It would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. Thank you so much for watching the video.